In this video, I'll show you how to check your screen time on any Android phone. This works on all brands including Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Vivo, Oppo and more. Let's get started. Go to settings, scroll down and tap digital well-being, and this is where Android tracks how much time you spend on your apps. Select view app activity details. Right at the top, you will see your screen time for today. You can also tap this drop down in screen time and you can able to see notification received and times opened. Times opened means how much times you opened your app. Notification received, where you get lots of notification, it shows. Go back to screen time. It shows how much time you spend on each apps. You can also see yesterday, day before yesterday, and you can go whatever date you want to see. And if you want to limit your usage, you can set app timers to control how long you use apps like YouTube, Instagram, or games. To do this, go back and you can able to see app timers. Select it and select the game or app that you want to limit usage. Just select the app and select the app timer option. Set app timer. This app timer for Instagram will reset at midnight. Every 24 hours it's been resetted. I'm gonna set it 1 hour. Select OK, and it's gonna saved. As you can see, today I used 2 minutes. I can use the remaining 58 minutes anytime today. If you want to delete the app timer reset, select the trash icon and it's gonna be set as no timer and it's removed, guys. And that's how you can check screen time on any Android in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.